I see what's going on.
See the nest now?
I'm seeing it.
Seeing the nest. Just looking at some nuts.
Some nuts?
Some nuts. No rodent friends.
Some snacks you could eat while you're working on the car?
I don't eat this guy's scraps.
He's getting excited.
Is he getting excited?
Sounds like it.
Why is he getting excited?
What's he doing? Bathing the underside of his car?
What? What are you talking about, Gary?
Bathing the underside of his car?
Touch your ass.
It's getting a whole bunch of shit.
Well, stage 3 and some little doodads.
What kind of doodads are you talking about?
Coilovers.
Ooh. Getting some drop going. Drop down to the ground.
Yeah, it's got a Corsa intake instead of a Haltech. Coilovers. Okay, and some bulbs.
It's getting Cook's exhaust?
No, it's just getting American Racing.
Okay.
I hope it's getting American Racing. See, like, the Cook system, the way the headers fit is superior by far. There's so much more room, like, it's the way they're
Routed?
yeah. It's much more convenient for install, and they're like, it's not, they're like slimmer, so it's not far enough out. I don't know if Cook's makes 2-inch. I think the only 1 7/8. Everything else I prefer American Racing. Like from like headers back, American Racing is such a simpler kit.
Can't really go wrong with either.
You can't. Tell you what, though, if you get a truck, American Racing headers. Those are the only headers I found that go right up in like the Silverados and stuff without being a pain in the ass. Ugh.
Bringing some coolant there. This thing got a lot of miles on it?
I can't say I honestly looked.
Does it look in the engine bay like it's got a lot of miles on it?
It's got a nest in the engine bay.
Nasty?
Nest.
Oh, nest.
Nest.
What kind of nest? Like a bald eagle nest?
A bald eagle nest. Yeah, the bald eagle has made its home inside the engine compartment of the car.
That's a good thing.
Why is it a good thing?
Oh, I see what's going on.
See the nest now?
I'm seeing it.
Seeing the nest.
That is a nest.
Must have cut my hand because that brake clean is not feeling good. Just looking at some nuts.
Some nuts?
Some nuts. No rodent friends.
Some snacks you could eat while you're working on the car?
I don't eat this guy's scraps. Turds in there.
Nice. That's what you like to see.
Some seeds. Yeah, I don't eat these kind of nuts.
Acorn?
It's looking like it.
At least there's no dead animals in here.
If there's a dead animal, at least it's a fun surprise. Just thinking to the point where that means if he died, it means he got stuck in there. So imagine ripping on your C6 and some you're cooking a fucking mouse.
Cooking some fucking mouse on your intake manifold. Did this thing have engine covers on it? Okay. I guess if you never take your engine covers off, you wouldn't notice.
Yeah.
The nest. Well, this battery's about to die any second. See if it'll live long enough to see it. Other valve cover off. I don't know if it's gonna make it. It made it.
Look at that.
Are coilovers a pain in the ass on C6s, or are they fairly easy?
Huh?
Usually they're fairly easy.
First time doing them.
Oh, okay.
The only pain in the ass part is getting the jibby jawn out. The leaf spring jawn.
Jibby jawn?
The jibby jawn.
Those are looking nice.
Ooh,
nice.
Yeah, Bilstein Johns. These look nice.
I'll get some for your car.
Hurt. You see where I put?
Missing a bolt.
Nope, not missing it at all. Found it.
2007 C6Z, 16,000 miles. Got our full stage 3. So our head scan package, 2-inch American Racing headers with cats. We got a Corsa carbon fiber air intake. We did some FOT coilovers on it and some couple other things. Came from New York. Is actually like spot on. I can't read what it says. It's 620, 530 torque. Yeah, tuner's pretty spot on. 468, 460 torque, and then it made 620 and 530. I'm not gonna have many pulls on this thing because this thing is pretty damn close to spot on right now. So we'll see how much more we can get out of it. .39. I added a little bit of timing up top. It's actually up 160 so far. Just killer for stage 3. Real killer, actually. Okay, added a little fuel up top, and then this thing is more than likely done. But I've said that before, and then like wanted to make 1 or 2 more pulls. I'll do 1 more pull. I don't think it's gonna make any more power, but I'm just playing with others. Okay, last pull. Same exact thing. 632, 541. Which is f***ing stout for stage 3. This thing's done. Later.